This is a wake-up call for every home. What is that? Screen addiction and digital overload. And this problem, is in every home. Children are spending hours on phones, tablets, and gaming consoles. What starts as fun becomes a habit, then a battle. It is not just screen time, it's screen dependence. What are the effects? Quiet damage. Sleep is shrinking, eyes are straining, focus is fading, real conversations are disappearing. And the consequences? Emotional disconnection. Children ignore parents even at the dinner table. Tantrums erupt when devices are taken away. Childhood is slipping away one swipe at a time. And you know how the parents struggle. It's a big struggle. Just 10 minutes, mama, becomes the norm. We give in not because we don't care, but because we are tired. But if giving in isn't peace, it's quiet surrender. So what's the solution? Start small. Stay steady. One screen-free meal a day. One bedtime story without a phone nearby. One walk together, just talking, just laughing. You know what children really need today? Not more Wi-Fi, but more eye contact. Not more apps, but more attention. Not more games, but more presence. So what are we supposed to do? Reclaim the moment. Replace clicks with connection. Replace scrolling with storytelling. Replace silence with shared laughter. And the final takeaway is this: childhood isn't meant to be scrolled through, it's meant to be lived together. Unplug to